If your vehicle is equipped with four-wheel drive, the hill descent control system can help reduce driver workload when going down steep hills by applying the vehicle brakes to help control the vehicle. To activate this system, the vehicle's transmission must be in forward or reverse gear. The four-wheel drive switch must be at 4 low, and the vehicle speed must be under 15 miles an hour. Or the four-wheel drive switch must be at 4 high, and the vehicle speed must be under 21 miles an hour. And the hill descent control switch must be on. The hill descent control indicator light will illuminate and remain on in the instrument panel. If the switch is on and the system becomes disengaged for any reason, the hill descent control indicator light blinks. If the accelerator or brake pedal is depressed while the hill descent control system is on, the system will stop operating temporarily. As soon as the accelerator or brake pedal is released, the hill descent control system begins to function again. For the best results when descending steep downhill grades, the hill descent control switch should be on and the shift lever in low gear. To turn off the hill descent control system, push the switch to the off position. The hill descent control indicator light will turn off. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.